Okay, on number 5, excuse me, you had to plot the points. Some of you are struggling with how to plot -4, -2. Remember, the first one goes with your x, the second one moves with your y. These are the x, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. The origin 0, 0. Anything to the right is positive, anything to the left is negative. So we go back 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from there we go down 2, which is negatives going down. There's the first point. The next one's -2, 0. That means we start at the origin and we move left -2, and then we don't move any. Third point is 0, 2. Means we move 0 on the x-axis and up 2. And the last one's 2, 4, which means we move right 2 and up 4, which is right there. You connect it, and it does not go through the origin, so it does not vary directly. Number 7, you can automatically say no because you have 2 negatives in the numerator and all the denominators are positive. So no, not direct variation. Number 9, we're going to put y over x. So we put 2 over 3. That is reduced. It's 2/3. The next one's 4 over 6. 3 times 2 is 6, isn't it? So is 2 times 2 4? Yes, so those are equal. The next one's 6 over 9. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 3 is 6, so those are equal. And the last one's 8 over 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. So yes, these are direct variation. The constant is 2/3, and the equation would be y equals 2/3 x. Number 11 is x equals 2/5 y. This would be yes. And now we got to get y by itself, so you put the wall up. Remember, we're going to divide both sides by 2/5. This is a 1 in front. It's 1 divided by 2/5. And remember, when you take 1 divided by 2/5, you have to multiply by the reciprocal. So it's 1 over 1 times 5 over 2. So it's 5 over 2 x equals y. So the constant would be 5 over 2. Number 13 would be no, because they're subtracting 5. Can't have that minus 5. 15. Notice 15 says x over y equals 2. This would be yes, but we don't want x over y. We want y over x. So this is 2 over 1. The reciprocal of both of them would be y over x equals 1 over 2. And there's your constant. Remember, k equals y over x. So k equals 1/2. 17, no, you can't have an x squared. 19, it says describe and correct the error in telling whether x and y show direct variation. The graph is aligned, so it shows direct variation. The only problem is it does not go through the origin. Which is 0, 0. On 21, it says the variables x and y vary directly. Use the values to find a constant of proportionality, then write the equation. Hi, buddy. Nope, you cannot lick my computer. I love you too. Anywho, remember, k is equal to y over x. Ouch. So we're going to put y on top, 20 over 12, and that does reduce. I know 4 goes into each of them, so it's 5 over 3. So y equals 5/3 x. And then 33, it says write 24/25 as a decimal. Okay, remember, if we can find an equivalent fraction out of 100, that can turn it into a percent and it could turn it into a decimal. Well, 5 times 4 is 100. So 24 times 4 is 96. So that is 96 hundredths, which is written as 0.96. Okay, now you need to do the Big Ideas assignment posted. And it is due when you come into class tomorrow.